What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got this fantastic 360-degree VR bulb camera, which is a panoramic Wi-Fi camera. Now all the fantastic feature of this 360-degree VR bulb, also known as a panoramic Wi-Fi camera bulb, are available on the packaging itself, starting with the 360-degree effects, account encryption, human body detection, so as a 360-degree panoramic view, remote access using your mobile phone. App is available for Android as well as for iOS devices, and so much more itself in it as well. You also have a feature of two-way audio communication, and device also supports 180-degree micro SD card. Now the best feature is this one, which is full HD, because it comes with the 3 megapixel of camera resolution. Not bad at all for the small package. Now, as usual for this video, first we're going to see what is included in the packaging, following with how you can install the app on your mobile phone device, whereas the QR code for it also available on the packaging itself. And by the end of this video, you will have an idea that is this product for you or not. So let's get into it. Package includes quick installation user manual, which supports multiple languages. Now, in last but not least, we have our 360-degree VR Wi-Fi panoramic camera bulb. Now, right in the main face of bulb, you have a PIR sensor along with the 3 megapixel resolution camera. Obviously, the bulb lighting area is right in the front as well, where in the back we have a speaker, microphone, as well as the micro SD card slot, which supports up to 160 gigabyte of micro SD card. Next to it we have a factory reset button. Camera bulb also come with the indicator light, which illuminate, showing you the status of connection. Now in terms of electrical connection, it comes with the E27, but you can use a converter for the B22 if you want to. Now for the purpose of demonstration, I have installed this bulb on the landing, where one side will be looking into the stairs going up in the house, and second one will be just right on the door itself. Now let's power it up first time. As soon as you're going to power up, you're going to see the status indicator light on it, and it will be also a relay inside flicking on and off. Once device is fully ready, you're going to see this status indicator light flashing red. This means it's ready to pair up. Now we need to go ahead with the installation. Now we need to go ahead with the configuration as well as the installation process. For that, you need an app which can be installed from Google Play Store as well as from iOS Store. Now for this video, I'll be using Android mobile phone. So let me show you where you're going to get the app and how you're going to configure your 360-degree fisheye panoramic LED light bulb and whatever you call it actually. So let's go into that part. Now on your mobile phone, open up Google Play Store and click onto Google Play search option and write 360 Eyes Android. And here you're going to see the first app, which is 360 Eyes. Open it up and hit the install button. Once app is successfully installed, open it up from right there. First thing within the app you need to do is create your account by just pressing the sign up button in here and enter the all information app is asking for. It's very easy and straightforward. Now once you created your account and logged in, you will be on this screen where you need to add your device by pressing this plus button and selecting the mode of connection. We will be using the wireless mode, so click on it. Now you need to follow all the instruction app is giving you about. Starting with is pressing and holding the reset button on your 360-degree camera bulb. Till you hear the ding ding sound on it, and then tap next. Now in here you need to type in the credential for your Wi-Fi. At this moment of time, camera only supports 2.4 gigahertz of Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network which will be used by camera to connect with the internet and enter your password. Click next. Select the location. Obviously it's a United Kingdom, so I'm going to select that one and click next. Once you ding dong sound on the camera itself, click camera ding dong and just wait for it to finish up. You're also going to hear the notification on the camera as well the green status indicator light on it. Now you need to give it a name to your camera. I'm going to call it a landing camera. Name could be anything, guys, as you can see that, and click OK. And there we go. Now you have your camera right in here. Now let's have a very quick look around the camera app actually, which is very important to know about. Now right on the home screen where you entered your camera, you also have an option for the album, that whatever pictures, whatever things are installed on your camera or whatever is stored on your camera as well. You also have the alert notification when they happen actually. You can straight away go into them, or you can go into the options of canceling stop. Then you have the settings of the app itself, where you're going to see the message settings, feedback, as well as the clear the cache, and so as the modification of your password. Now let's go into the my devices where you typed in your camera. Now within the camera itself, you got an option for the cloud storage, notification, deleting the camera, or sharing the camera with your friends and family members. And down right in here, you got a cog button, which is for the camera settings. Now within your camera settings, you got a lot of options in here, starting with the camera share option as well as the shooting angle, which is overlooking at this moment of time. You can select it to the horizontal, reverse, overlook, or the look up. It's all your own choice. Now LED light, which is in the main function, the bulb, is set as an automatic, but you can set it as a PIR mode, and you can select the timer that how long it would be turned on for. So as the timing mode, if you'd like to turn it on all the time, I prefer on PIR mode, which works pretty decent, to be honest with you. Now the next option we have after that is a status LED, which I like to turn off. The reason is because if it's turned off, nobody knows that it's alive or not, so you can't really notice what's happening on it. I better turn it off. Then you got an option for the alert mode, which is on the motion detection or on the PIR. I can put it on the PIR or sound alert if you want to, or whenever somebody comes into it, it will record it too. You can also select the sensitivity with respect to the time. You would like to do it a whole day, evening time, or you can customize it when you're at home or not. Okay. Next is a volume actually, which is for the two-way communication. You can turn it on, you can have a video. Now whatever video we are recording at the moment, the sound was deselected. Now I turned it on, so it will be recording the sound as well. Now language zone is also there to select what zone are you in. Encryption is also there, you can customize it too. Time recording is also there, you can customize it, or you can do a recording of whole day itself, or select the particular portions of time where you can wanted to record it. Then you can change the router. Let's suppose tomorrow you change your router, you would like to change it to different router, or in your home you got a home automation system and would like to keep all the automation on a separate router. You can do that here. You got option for the memory storage, which is a micro SD card I have installed. It's a 64 gigabyte actually. I can format it on a click of a button. Next is a video storage. At this moment of time, cloud is selected. The cloud actually subscription is there for 1 month free, which I have already enabled it, which I can show you as well, no problem. But you got option for the micro SD card as well if you'd like to store whatever video you have on a micro SD card. Very easy. Now option for the cloud is by press of a button, where you can see that right in here you have a purchase the cloud here, which will be expiring in 1 month time. You can also see the history and who is your supplier as well. Now to see the live view of your cameras, click onto the camera itself. Straight away you are right in there. To see 360 degrees, simply just roll around where you want it actually, very easily. You can see that everything around it, no problem whatsoever. I'm right there in the room actually, so let me go there. You'll be able to see me right in there, and the bulb turns on automatically as well. So there you go. Let me see. Right in there is me. Now let's go that way. You can see me right in there. So you can see that it's very easy and nice actually. At the moment it's SD, standard definition is selected. Let's click onto the HD. It will be a little bit improved, to be honest with you, only for the sake of the video. Okay. Now you also have a timeline right in there. So if there's any motion detection, video has been turned off. There you go. See, it's live actually, all of these things. You can also change it the view if you want to, so you can see that the front as well as on the back. That's not bad. Let's change the view, another one. There we go, round view. You can see everything in round method here. Not bad at all. Well, that's not bad. Good. Now within this live camera mode, you also have got different options like a talk back, because it's got a built-in speaker. By press of a button of this talk, click onto the permissions just to record the microphone of your mobile phone. You press on it, it's basically talking it through. Now right on this live view screen, you also have the option for capturing the photo by click of a button, as well as click onto the recording the video. Actually, this whatever you are recording at this moment of time, it's stored all in your mobile phone. It's nowhere else on your mobile phone actually. Now press of button, it's stored, and you can click to the albums and see where it exists on your mobile phone. Now we have seen everything about this camera bulb as well as the app which is used for it. Seems to be working fine in terms of its functionalities. And if let me know in the comment section below that if I have not covered anything which you wanted to know about it. Now, if you would ask me that what is my recommendation about this bulb, I would highly recommend it because the way it's working, very simple and straightforward. Application is straightforward as well. It offers you the micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes, which is not bad, as well as a cloud storage. Obviously, you need to pay for the cloud storage. Link and the detail will be also available in the video description about it if you want to know more about that all as well. Personally speaking, I would highly recommend to have this bulb because it's working perfectly fine and it serves its purpose. So that would be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have any more questions, please write me in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer any of your queries. So on that note, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.